Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a rice mask for hair. This natural treatment offers fantastic benefits for your locks. Rice water is packed with amino acids, which are essential for strengthening your hair from root to tip. It also works wonders for detangling, leaving your hair feeling incredibly smooth and manageable. Plus, consistent use can significantly boost shine and improve overall hair texture. Getting started is super easy with just a few common kitchen items. You'll need 1/2 cup of uncooked rice and 2 cups of water. First, make sure to rinse your rice very well to get rid of any dirt or starch. This step is crucial for a clean mask. After rinsing, let the clean rice soak in the 2 cups of water for at least 30 minutes. This begins the process of extracting those beneficial nutrients. Once your rice has soaked, strain the water into a clean container. This liquid is what we'll use for the mask. For maximum benefits, allow this rice water to ferment at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. Fermentation enhances its nutrient profile. After fermentation, apply the rice water directly to your scalp and work it through the lengths of your hair, ensuring full coverage. After applying, let the rice mask sit on your hair for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows your hair and scalp to absorb all the goodness. When time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until all traces of the mask are gone. For the best results, aim to use this natural hair mask 1 to 2 times per week. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.